Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can hide your message option on your TikTok account. You have seen that you open many accounts and there is no message option on that account. So similarly you can hide that message option on your own account. So how will you do it? For that, just open your TikTok app and go to your profile. Now in your profile at the top right side, click on these three horizontal lines and go to settings and privacy. Now here, click on this privacy option. Now scroll down and click on this direct messages option. Now here you can see there at the top you can see there option called allow direct messages. Click on this. Now here in direct messages you can see there are multiple options. At the top there are option called no one. Just click on this no one. Now when you select no one, the message option on your account will be hidden. So this is the way how you can hide your message option on your own TikTok account.